Now with migration, we can even seed some data in our tables. Right now, if we go, our books and genre table both are empty. What if we wanted to have some default records in there? We can do that using migration. Let me go back there and we will add the data that we want to seed inside application DB context. We have the on model creating. Right here on model builder.entity, we want to add book, so we will add that. On there we have the method has data, and there we need to pass new book object. So I will say new book here, and I can create a record. I have added one book right here. If you want to add multiple books, you can do that as well. It expects an array of books, so you can do that. Let me call that Fortune of Time. Perfect. Both of them. Change the price to $11.99, and that looks good. So now we have two books that we are creating here. Another way of adding multiple books here is we can have a book list, which will be an array of book here. Let me create that. So perfect, I have added 3 books in here, and then we need to add that to the has data. So right here we can say model builder dot entity of book dot has data, and we can add our book list right there. Now how do we actually add that? Super simple again. We add a migration. We will say add migration seed book table. And great. And this time you see there is insert data. It is creating 5 records. Let me update the database. And with that, our books table will now have 5 records. Let me go back here. And great. We have 5 records right here. If you remember with decimal, we added 5. So it is storing up to 5 decimal. Great. With that, let me continue from the next video.